Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's now morning and I'm getting ready to go to work. It's gonna snow today, so I am pretty excited. They said that it was supposed to start snowing at about 5 a.m. It's now 7:30 and I'm not seeing anything. I'm going to show you guys how outside looks. I'm from Jamaica. I've never seen snow before, so I'm not excited about being cold, but I'm excited about seeing the snow. So hopefully throughout the day it's gonna snow, and when I'm going home I can see it. I'm getting ready to go to work. I need to leave out now because I'm kind of late-ish. Guys, I think I'm seeing it. I'm not sure if it's rain or if it's snow. I have on so many layers of clothing. This gray, and then I think this is also gray, and my coat, have this scarf, and I have on this thing. I'm gonna put on my gloves now because I'm freezing. But anyways guys, so hopefully it begins to snow heavily so I can actually see something. Yeah, I have an umbrella just in case rain comes. I am walking home and it is snowing. Yes, it's all over my clothes. So I'm actually experiencing snow. I went home to put on my stuff and I'm back on the road because I need to go get some grocery and some cleaning stuff so that I can clean my bathroom. But it's coming down even heavier. So bleach, and I buy this for my dishes. I'm trying to look for something to clean my bathroom. Let's see. Bathroom cleaner. I've used this one already. I don't really like it. I need something else. Alright, I'll buy it again. Guys, I'm back home. It's a bit dark in here even though I have on all the lights, so I'm just gonna quickly show you guys what I got from the supermarket because I could not vlog. I had too many stuff in my hand. So anyways, I bought 2 of these. This is bread. I had to buy 2 because how many slices? I think 6. So 6 slices come in each of them. I don't want to be back and forth every minute going to the supermarket. I bought oil. Enough to be bending. I bought cereal. It actually tastes really nice, so that's why I bought it again. I bought grapes. What else? I bought pineapple. I bought them sliced already because I don't want to be cutting up. I don't like peeling pineapple, so I bought them already sliced. So good for me. Cheese. I bought some carrots. I bought milk for my cereal. This is yakisoba. I'm gonna be making yakisoba to carry to work. This is rice. This is, I think, 30. I see 30. Is it 30 gram? 30 something. I don't know how much pound this is, but it's almost 900 yen. Like, Japan is so freaking expensive. $900 for this little thing. 900 yen for this little thing. Yeah, so everything came up to like almost 3,000 yen. Yeah, so groceries are very expensive in Japan, so bear that in mind if you're planning on coming here. Guys, I'm on my balcony. I'm gonna be showing you guys how outside look with the snow and everything. But like I'm glad it's the weekend, so I get to stay home. Oh, by the way, I didn't mention I have meat in the fridge. Just if you're wondering, like how comes you buy food and not buy the meat? I have meat in the fridge, so I never needed to buy any meat. But anyways, so I'm gonna be showing you guys outside. Yeah, how it looks. So my first time seeing snow. Yeah, that's what this video is about. And I end up vlogging my day, which is fine. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. And I think that's it. This is where I'm signing off for today. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel. Oh, I should be talking right there. I keep on looking at myself, I'm sorry. Yeah, so please subscribe to my channel. Please like my video. Please comment if you have any questions. Let me know what you think. Have you ever seen snow before? Like, I know I'm not the only person who have never seen snow in my life, especially if you're coming from like tropical island like Jamaica. I have never, well, I've been to America, but I've never been there during winter, so that's why I never ended up seeing snow. Anyways, I'm talking too much. So guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Look at the top of the houses.